Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fill up and down blank cells in Power BI. If you've ever imported data that has gaps or missing values in certain columns, this feature will help you quickly populate those empty cells based on the values above or below them, making your data much cleaner and easier to work with. First, you'll want to open your Power BI desktop application. Once it's loaded and you're looking at your workspace, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the ribbon menu. Here, click on Transform Data. This action will open the Power Query Editor, which is where all the magic happens when it comes to cleaning and transforming your datasets before they're visualized. Once the Power Query Editor opens, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a list of all your queries, which are essentially the different tables or data sources you've loaded into Power BI. Click on the query that contains the blank cells you want to fill. This will display the data table in the main viewing area, allowing you to see exactly where those gaps are and which columns need attention. Now that you've selected your query, it's time to focus on the specific column that has those pesky blank cells. Click on the column header to select the entire column. This step is important because Power BI needs to know exactly which column you want to apply the fill operation to. After selecting the column, look up to the top ribbon menu again and click on Transform. This tab contains a variety of tools designed to help you manipulate and reshape your data in different ways. Within the Transform tab, you'll notice several options for modifying your data. What you're looking for here is the Fill option. Go ahead and click on Fill. This will open up a small drop-down menu with two choices that determine how the blank cells will be populated. Now you can choose either down or up, depending on how you want the blank cells filled. If you select down, Power BI will take the value from the cell above each blank cell and copy it downward, filling all the gaps below it until it reaches another non-blank value. On the other hand, if you choose up, it will take the value from the cell below each blank and copy it upward. Click whichever option makes sense for your dataset and the way your data is structured. And that's it. Your blank cells are now filled based on the direction you chose, and your data is ready for analysis. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.